Angel. Angel. Hi, Angel. Hi, honey. Angel. Angel's in her new yard today. This is her first time in this new yard. Everything is bittersweet around here. We never get sweet, we get bittersweet. Julio was a terrific dog, got from the border. He was here about 3 years. Cancer from the New River down in Calexico, comes in from Mexicali. Poisonous river for 60 miles, toxic, signs everywhere, it'll kill you. So many dogs have cancer, and poor Julio died of cancer. And this was his yard. He was a white dog, so we kept him in the shade. Now, the sweet part is, Angel was in her beautiful big yard, but she was one of the white dogs that got sunburned. Her eyes got sunburned, her eyelids got sunburned, so she had to come in. She had to come in during the day and come out only at night. And she got treated for her sunburn. She's fine now, and then I really believe this. I've seen it so many times. I don't believe anything. I either know it or I don't know it. This I know. They push over. They just push over. Look at the timing. We need a shaded yard. This is one of the only really shaded yards on the property. We needed this yard. Julio is fighting cancer, and somehow he picks up that we need a yard for, and Julio volunteers. He said, I'm going to go anyway, I'll go now. Happens all the time. So we lost Julio, and then Angel moved into this yard. Look at her, look at her. Look at her. Is that fun? Is that fun? That is fun. There's a definition of fun right there. Look at Angel playing in her pool, my God. Angel. Watch the video on Angel and you'll see where she came from and the trouble she was in. As a puppy, she got caught in a sandstorm and lost her eyes. Her eyesight, I should say. Actually, this is one of the, in the hot summer, this is one of the better yards ever. We never move a tree, move a juniper. Juniper is actually a bush, it's not a tree. And we never move them. We build around them. And this beautiful tree has been here for God knows how long. We've had the place since '86. It was here way before '86. So, okay. Here you go, Angel. Here you go, Angel. It's amazing that she's blind, but she homes in like a bat. She homes in on the sound. You're a beautiful girl. Did you have fun in that pool? You had a blast. You're all wet. You're all wet. I'm all wet now. Look at you. Look at you. You're a beautiful girl. Yes, you're beautiful. Giving me a paw. That was the most fun I've ever seen a dog play in the pool. I've never seen anything so much fun. She's just had a blast. Want another piece? Another piece. Yes, yes, my girl. Oh no, that's the stash. You want the stash? She wants my stash. I gotta put it in my pocket. There you go. There you go. You're the beauty. You are the beautiful girl. Yes, you are. Look at you. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Yes. She inhaled some of the water a little, huh? You can inhale some water? But you got to remember, she can't see the water, so she's splashing in it. She's feeling it on her face, but she can't really see. So if she got some in her lungs, it's because she couldn't see it. But you had so much fun. I've never seen a dog enjoy a pool so much as that. That was a joy. That was a joy. I'm the rescuer. I don't get to enjoy. I rescue. I don't get to enjoy. So this for me, sitting with them and playing with them, just enjoying and watching what I just saw in the pool. This is something I never got a chance to do in all these decades. Too busy rescuing. Right, honey? Right, honey? By the way, everybody likes you. Everybody likes you. You should see all the likes. There's this thing called likes. They press the button, I like Angel, and they send you these likes. You got bunches of likes. Yeah, you got bunches. Look at her. You see, when she's out in the desert, in a sandstorm, 120 degrees, no food, no water, beat up to hell, and no hope at all, no hope. But now she has this. Imagine her. They're all angels, but she is specifically named Angel because she is an angel. You're the angel of angels. Yes, you are. I had one other dog named Angel. It was a little chihuahua, a little white chihuahua. And that was in the early 80s. Try not to duplicate the names because they each have their own personality and mission. They're on their own mission. What do you want? What do you want? I know what you want. Why? One more little one. One more little one. That's it. Little one. Little one. What? 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 I got to keep talking to her so she knows where I am. Let me check. Okay, nice new blanket in there. Oh, who's the girl? Who's the girl? Who's the girl? She's the girl. She's the girl. PK9. PK10. Let me see something. Whoops. Eight. Yep. That's Fedora. That's Fedora. Look at her. That's Fedora. Fedora wants a treat. There you go. There you go. Let me get it in. Angel. Take her. Well, that's an update on Angel. She's got this beautiful new yard that's all shaded. Thanks to Julio, poor Julio. And Angel, she has her own space, her own home, her own pool. And one of the few dogs to say she has her own tree. Right, Angel? Right, Angel? I'll give you one more. Come here, honey. One more. Angel. Angel. Come here, Angel. Come here, Angel. There you go. Okay.